Why don't we start with the core business first and then we'll come to Jio in a bit?
Well, if you're going to see on a consolidated basis, a decent set of numbers are expected. Revenues are expected to be down by around 5%, but the EBITDA is expected to be higher by around 8%. Margins are expected to come in higher at close to 55%, while the company's net profit is expected to be 17% higher on a sequential basis. Now, segment-wise performance, if you see retail segment revenue and EBITDA are expected to be higher by around 7 to 8%, purely on the back of increased footprint, increased footfalls, and operating leverage benefit. Also, expansion is one of the factors because of which the retail numbers are expected to be good. When it comes to the O2C segment performance, that is also expected to be higher by around 6%. That is the EBITDA number I'm talking about, and this is largely owing to the CEZ export tax removal. Export tax was removed over a special economic zone, and along with this, windfall tax was also relatively lower in the third quarter of FY23. Now, because of both these factors, the EBITDA is expected to be higher by 6%. And lastly, when it comes to the oil and gas exploration business, there the EBITDA is expected to be higher by nearly 22%, and this is purely on the back of higher gas prices in the third quarter of FY23, and also because of higher production numbers that are expected to come in the third quarter of FY23.
So that was about the core business, but talk to us about the internals as well. Somit, in terms of Jio, other businesses, what should we watch out for?
Now, specifically for Reliance Jio, if you see the company's revenue is expected to be high by around 4%. But do remember, this is the slowest revenue growth for Reliance Jio in the last 7 quarters, owing to no tariff hike or lower ARPU growth, and also because of lower subscriber addition. Now, though subscriber addition is lower in the third quarter, this is the third consecutive quarter of subscriber addition that Reliance Jio is expected to report. The subscriber number is expected to be around 43.4 crore. Now, if you see the ARPU, that is the average revenue per user, and the key number for Reliance Jio, that is expected to be higher by only 2% because of some residual benefit of past tariff hikes taken by the company, and also because of upgradations in Reliance Jio's customer. Now, the EBITDA number, that is expected to be higher by around 6% because of some residual benefits coming in of lower spectrum usage charges, and along with this, marginal ARPU growth that is expected will also benefit the EBITDA. But the net profit growth, now that is expected to be lower compared to the EBITDA growth because of higher finance cost, and this is because the company had acquired more spectrum in the spectrum auction, because of which the finance cost for the company is expected to be higher. Now, the key things to watch out for from Reliance Industries and Reliance Jio earnings would be the company's, firstly, the net debt levels, their new investments that they're doing in the retail and the new energy business. Along with this, the company had announced the demerger of financial services. So what's the update coming in on that front would also be important to track, and what is the commentary coming in for ARPU trajectory, the growth trajectory that they're seeing for Jio Fiber business, how they're planning to monetize the 5G would be important to track from Reliance Industries and Reliance Jio earnings tomorrow.